Hello friends. In this video we'll go through some simple tips to reduce hypertension, commonly known as high blood pressure, affects hundreds of millions of people worldwide. Some lifestyle changes can help you naturally lower your blood pressure. This is a general advice. Always consult your health professional for more accurate medical advice. Here are 5 natural ways to reduce your blood pressure. 1. Regular physical activity helps improve health. It's no secret that regular physical activity helps to keep you in good health. Not only does exercise help control high blood pressure, it also helps you manage your weight, strengthen your heart, and lower your stress level. 2. Eat less salt. Most people eat too much salt without realizing it. To decrease sodium in your diet, try these tips. Read food labels. Look for low salt or low sodium versions of the food and beverages you normally buy. Eat fewer processed foods. Only a small amount of sodium naturally occurs in foods. Nearly 70% of the sodium we eat comes from processed, prepackaged, and restaurant foods. Don't add salt. Just 1 teaspoon of salt contains 2,300 milligrams of sodium. Use salt substitutes such as spices, garlic, herbs, and other seasonings in place of some or all of the salt to add flavor to your favorite dishes. 3. Add more potassium to your diet to reduce high blood pressure. Not only does potassium help regulate heart rate, it can also reduce the effects of sodium in the body. The most effective way to increase your potassium intake is by adjusting your diet, as opposed to taking supplements. Potassium-rich foods include fruits like bananas, melons, oranges, apricots, avocados, and tomatoes. Milk, yogurt and cream cheese. Leafy green vegetables, potatoes and sweet potatoes. Tuna and salmon. Beans. Nuts and seeds. While incorporating these foods into your diet can improve heart health, it's important to talk with your doctor about the potassium level that's right for you. Also, if you have significant kidney disease, you should avoid consuming too much potassium, because your kidneys may not be able to eliminate it. 4. Limit your alcohol consumption. Some research shows that drinking alcohol in moderation can benefit your heart. However, too much alcohol consumed at one time can cause a sudden spike in your blood pressure. 5. Reduce your stress to lower your blood pressure. We all have stress in our day-to-day lives that can cause a temporary spike in blood pressure. In most cases, once the stressful situation is resolved, your heart rate and blood pressure return to normal. However, chronic stress may put you at risk for a variety of long-term health issues, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Stress can also increase your blood pressure levels if your coping mechanisms involve eating unhealthy food, drinking alcohol, or smoking. It's important to note that if you have prolonged hypertension, your treatment may require both healthy lifestyle changes like these, along with care and medications as prescribed by your physician. Talk to your doctor for specific advice on how to lower your blood pressure. Please like and share the video. Thanks for listening.